use a vanilla gift card on Steam? Unfortunately, Steam doesn't directly accept vanilla gift cards as payment. This is because they require a verified billing address during the checkout process, and vanilla gift cards often lack that feature. However, there are a couple of workarounds you can try, although they come with some caveats. So first step is to register your Vanilla gift card. Visit the Vanilla Visa website and register your card with your zip code. This can sometimes help with online transactions, but it's not guaranteed to work for Steam specifically. Another option is to use a gift card exchange service. Websites like Gift Card Granny allow you to trade your vanilla gift card for another gift card, like a major retailer card, that Steam might accept. However, these services typically charge fees, so it might not be the most cost effective option. Another option can be to consider alternative payment methods. Steam accepts a variety of payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. If you have another option available, it might be a safer and easier way to add funds to your Steam account. Now, important things to keep in mind. Now, success is not always guaranteed. Even if you try these methods, there's a chance that Steam might decline your payment due to the limitations of Vanilla Gift Card. Now there's fees and risks. Gift card exchange services often come with fees, and there are always potential risks involved in online transaction, so proceed with caution. Limited buyer protection. If you encounter issues using a gift card on Steam, you might have less buyer protection compared to using a traditional payment method. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use your vanilla gift card on Steam is up to you. Weigh the potential risks and benefits before proceeding and consider alternative options if necessary. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.